Okay guys, you ready for the ultimate time? Boop! A new chocolate Labrador! Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to play Adopt Me and merging those 4 chocolate Labradors. I've merged them up to grown-ups now. It's when they don't have like bars above their head. So let's just do this. Close, thanks. And look, I've made my skin into this. Don't worry, I didn't use any Robux. I went into the dress-up shop and then I dressed myself up, and then I saw this and I was like, oh, what's that? And then I thought I'd click on it, and then it's like, oh, it's where you can change your name, and then I changed it into Bella I Fairy, because they do kind of look like a fairy, and I have like a little fairy there. So look, let me show you. This one's a grown-up, this one's a grown-up, this one's a grown-up. Okay, and then this one's a grown-up. That's all of them, but this one, my unicorn, is also grown-up. So today we are going to merge the 4 chocolate Labradors into one big one. And when I have a neon unicorn, I'm going to make it like flying and ride on it. And it's also going to be neon, just so you know. Okay, so I'm going to the thingy. Let's go. I'm going. I'm going to the cave. Look at this. And just to remind you, it's like underneath this bridge. The first bridge you see. Look at this. Oh, I'm just kidding. So you just click on it, and look, it's doing this thing. That's so cool. And then click, place pet. It's got different color lights coming out, so that's cool. Oh, look at them. Okay guys, you ready for the ultimate time? Boop. What are they doing? They disappeared. A new chocolate Labrador. Oh, this is so cool. Wait, chocolate Labrador reborn. It's reborn. Look at his ears and the feet is glowing. Oh my god. Well, I'm just gonna rename it. CHOCO. Choco Lab. Save. Okay, let's do this. I'm not gonna chat now, and not that many people want to chat with me. Okay, let's go outside. I'm gonna work on making this one bigger. Oh look, it has like an end thing. So in my inventory, it may look like just like a normal chocolate Labrador, but can you see like in that little corner right there? If I zoom in a little bit, N means neon, and F means flyable, and R means rideable. Okay, I'll go to my home. Just like to leave my pet there. I'll just show what I've done really quickly. Where's my home? Oh, I'm coming. What? Chucky? Okay, sometimes tree houses or any tall house like that spawns in a tree. So this is what I'm working on. And I have 758 money, and I did this, and look in here. So I've got butterfly wallpaper in this bed. Wait, And when it's the middle of the night, I just like to turn this on. And then I like to do an emote. I like to sit down just like right here and then get my unicorn rattle out, which my friend Hannah Plays gave me. And then I just like to rattle and play with my pet. And I've also got this little feeding area. Yeah. And I've also got like the same wallpaper as the one in the bedroom. And look at this. When I do this, okay, good. Okay, so when I do this, like, I'll do this. I'll put my chocolate Labrador in there, and then I'll go to my bedroom, and then I'll show you something. Look. Oh, how did I do that? He teleported through the wall. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. Bye, Connect the Heart.